Hello, how are you going today everyone? In today's video I'd like to introduce BSCPAD and then I'll do a complete walkthrough on how to participate in an actual IDO that I recorded last night. But before I start doing the complete IDO walkthrough, I'll just go over BSCPAD tier levels and recent past IDO performances. Okay, so firstly, with BSCPAD, you'll need to get your KYC sorted, and that will be colored green with a little check mark when that's complete. Okay, depending on how many BSCPAD tokens you hold, you will be in one of these tiers. Okay, so bronze is 1000, silver is 2500, gold 5000, platinum 10,000, and so on. Each level has a different pool weight, so bronze has a weight of 10, silver 30, gold 65, and platinum 145. The weight will determine how much BUSD you can actually contribute to the IDO in order to purchase the new tokens. After the IDO is finished, probably there will be some unsold tokens. In this case, the excess tokens will become available later, and there will be a first come first served basis at a set time after the IDO. If you need to buy the BSCPAD token, just click the big blue button in the center and this will take you over to PancakeSwap. Alright, so let's take a quick look at some of the past IDOs and their performances. Firstly, blind boxes. The swap rate was 1 BUSD to 6.666 BLES, BLES. Okay, so let's calculate the value of each BLES token. So that's 1 divided by 6.6, which is 15 cents a token. And currently, BLES is valued at $4.10. Okay, let's take a look at Cook protocol. Alright, so 1 divided by 33, so that equals 3 cents per token, and they're currently valued at 21 cents. Let's take a look at AOS. 1 divided by 66, that's about 1.5 cents per token, and currently that's valued at $1.78. And 8pay, 1 divided by 14 equals 7 cents per token, and currently that's valued at $1.14. Okay, so those are some pretty good results, I think. Alright, so you'll be able to view the upcoming projects with the links taking you to the Medium article and giving you some important info, like from when to when you have to have the BSCPAD token in your wallets, the token price, allocation date, time, as well as relevant information about the IDO token. Okay, so let's get started with the actual live IDO. You'll need to connect your wallet, find the IDO and click open. In the orange box, you'll see your tier and your allocation limit, as well as a countdown timer telling you the time remaining in the IDO. Firstly, you'll need to click in approve and type your allocation limit. Your MetaMask will pop up, so click on confirm. Now click on join pool, type in the USD limit. For some reason I just typed in 400, so I'll add the other $7 later on. Then confirm in your MetaMask. When that goes through, you should see the amount you confirmed under swapped in the orange box in the center. I'll just quickly add the remaining $7. So now you're all set to go. So if you scroll down a little, you'll be able to see the schedule, which will tell you the time the IDO finishes and the time the first come first served part starts. I always check the internet for the UTC time, and so I don't make a mistake. Then I set my clock. Okay, time to start first come first served part. It's basically the same process as before. You'll see the remaining allocation limit. Click approve. Write the amount, then click confirm on your MetaMask. Once that goes through, you'll be able to press join. Unfortunately, I was too slow this time, so I'll miss out on the remaining allocation. Never mind. So now you're all set. If you like, check the BSCPAD Twitter to see the exact token release time on PancakeSwap. Once that time is up, you'll be able to see your allocation amount in the BSCPAD website and simply click Claim Tokens. You'll also be able to see the remaining vesting schedule below as a handy reminder. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video and could learn something. If you like these kind of videos, then please simply subscribe, like and share. Also, if you can leave a comment about what kind of video you'd like to see in the future, and I'll try my best to get onto it. Okay, bye for now and thank you very much for watching.